Hi, I'm Darren White-Tillman, Shore River's Director of Community Engagement, beaming at you here from Edinburgh, Scotland, where my family and I have been spending the fall term. Still spending a lot of time thinking about our Eastern Shore rivers. Our watershed here is the Firth of Forth, and every time I'm in another watershed, I'm reminded poignantly about how precious and biodiverse our Chesapeake is. How much it's worth working for. One of the things I love about Shore Rivers is our vision of people across the Eastern Shore taking action for our rivers. And we're here to help empower you with opportunities to do just that. Our rockstar educators are in the public schools inspiring student action projects on campuses and in communities. Our volunteers, we love you guys. You're out there taking action by planting trees, raising oysters, attending town council meetings, monitoring our waterways. And everyone in the watershed can take action at their own yard, their own workplace, their own congregation to make those places more river friendly. And every action you take matters for these rivers, and every single act generates hope. As the year draws to a close, please consider making a gift to Shore Rivers to keep this work, this engine of hope and action going. I give to Shore Rivers monthly, and it's a great way to ensure that the impact of our work can last for the entire year that's to come. Thank you, happy holidays, and I can't wait to see you at home on the Eastern Shore in January.